The Huawei P70 is a highly anticipated smartphone that is set to launch soon and is expected to follow in the footsteps of its predecessor, the P60 series. The phone will feature a large 6.7-inch curved OLED display with a resolution of 1.5K and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. It will also have dual front-facing stereo speakers for an immersive audio experience. The P70's rear camera setup will be arranged in a unique triangular formation and will feature a triple lens configuration with a 50MP main sensor, OmniVision, OV50H that has an impressive 1.3-inch size and variable aperture for better light control. This will be accompanied by a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 12-megapixel telephoto lens. The phone will also have a 5,000 mAh battery to provide ample power for all-day use. All P70 models will have the same 6.7-inch display size, so those who prefer a more compact option will need to look elsewhere. The phone's processor will be the Kirin 9010, which has integrated 5G support and marks a departure from the Snapdragon processors used in the P60 series, potentially indicating a return to in-house chip production for Huawei's flagship smartphones. Overall, the Huawei P70 is poised to be a compelling flagship smartphone with its high-resolution display, versatile camera system, powerful processor, and groundbreaking operating system. It is expected to replicate the success of its predecessor and further solidify Huawei's position in the competitive smartphone market.